BabyBus.
My teeth really hurt. Let me check your teeth. Open your mouth. There's plenty of dental calculus. Break it with ultrasonic wave first. Rinse the teeth clean with a water gun. Clean away the dirty water. Remove the damaged nerve cells in the decayed tooth so it won't hurt. Eliminate swelling with potion gun. Drag the bottle. Thank you, Doctor. Eat fewer sweets and brush your teeth regularly to make them stronger. Shovel! Badges collected can be displayed here. My teeth are all crooked and they are not pretty. Let me check your teeth. Open your mouth. The teeth are so dirty. Brush them clean first. Spit out the foams when you rinse your mouth. Check the teeth. Drag the machine and aim at the stars to take a picture of the teeth. The teeth are all crooked. Corrective treatment with braces is needed. Cleaning gels can make teeth smoother. Clean away the dirty gel. Put the brackets in the right place. Attach wire to the teeth. Straighten the wire and your teeth will become even. Straighten the wire and your teeth will become even. Put the rubber band in the right place. Treatment is finished. Put on